Chain of thought prompting for deeper AI insight. Are you tired of AI giving you short, shallow, or just plain wrong answers? You ask for a solution, and it gives you a single sentence. You ask for an explanation, and it skips all the steps. It feels like AI is guessing, not really thinking. Most people treat AI like a simple search engine. They ask a question, and expect an instant, perfect answer. But AI can do so much more, if you know how to talk to it. Imagine if AI could actually think step by step. Today, on PromptYES, we're diving into a powerful technique. It's called chain of thought prompting. This isn't just about asking better questions. It's about guiding AI to reason like a human. This one simple trick will unlock deeper insights. It will help AI solve complex problems with incredible accuracy. And it will transform your AI from a guesser into a brilliant problem solver, even if you have zero coding skills. So, what exactly is chain of thought prompting? It's a way of asking AI to show its work. Think back to math class. Your teacher didn't just want the answer. They wanted to see how you got the answer. Chain of thought works the same way for AI. You explicitly tell AI, think step by step, or explain your reasoning, or show me your process. This forces the AI to break down a complex task. It makes AI process information sequentially. It builds on its own previous thoughts, just like we do when solving a puzzle. Why is this so powerful? First, it drastically improves accuracy. When AI has to think through each step, it makes fewer mistakes. It catches its own errors. Second, it gives you transparency. You can see how AI arrived at its conclusion. This helps you trust the output more. And it helps you debug if something goes wrong. Third, it allows for more complex reasoning. AI can tackle multi-part problems it would otherwise fail at. It can analyze data more deeply. It can generate more comprehensive and logical content. Let's look at a simple example. Without chain of thought, you ask, what's the capital of France and what's its main river? AI might just give you, Paris, same. With chain of thought, you ask, think step by step. First, identify the capital of France. Second, identify its main river. Then, combine the answers. I response. Step 1. The capital of France is Paris. Step 2. The main river flowing through Paris is the Seine. Step 3. Therefore, the capital of France is Paris and its main river is the Seine. See the difference? Even for a simple question, you get a clearer process. Now imagine this for complex tasks. This is where the magic happens. Let's dive into some practical prompts you can copy-paste. These work for any large language model, like ChatGPT or Gemini. Prompt 1. Basic problem solving. Please think step by step. Given the following scenario, insert scenario details here. What is the best course of action and why? Prompt 2. Content generation with reasoning. I need a short blog post about topic. Before writing, outline 3 key points you will cover. Then, write the blog post based on those points, explaining your reasoning for each section. Prompt 3. Debugging or explanation. Analyze the following code snippet concept. First, identify any potential errors or unclear parts. Second, explain each part in simple terms. Third, propose a clear solution or improvement. Think step by step for each part. Prompt 4. Decision-making assistant. I'm trying to decide between option A, details, and option B, details. Please evaluate both options by first listing pros and cons for each. Then, compare them side by side. Finally, recommend which option is better, explaining your full reasoning. Remember the key phrase. Think step by step. Or, break this down. Or, show your reasoning. These simple additions are incredibly powerful. Chain of thought isn't just about getting better answers. It's about training your AI to be a more effective partner. It enhances AI's ability to mimic human thought processes, leading to more reliable and insightful outputs for your work. So, for your next AI task, don't just ask. Guide, direct, and make your AI think. You'll be amazed at the difference. This is how you truly master your prompts. Before you go, here's your challenge. Take one task you usually give to AI. Rewrite your prompt using the think step by step technique. Share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe to PromptYES for more groundbreaking AI techniques. We're here to help you build, grow, and review smarter. Let's continue to unlock the full potential of AI together. Only on PromptYES.